Okay, another day, another Victorinox knife. So what's in here? Oh, I'm after tearing the box. The boxes could be a little bit stronger, you know. Anyway, this is the Alpineer. So, what has the Alpineer got to offer? It has one large blade that locks. It also has corkscrew. It has tweezers and a toothpick. Locking blade. Nice straight blade, no serrations. And then you bring this back to close it. Your corkscrew. And it's also got hearing. Yeah, pretty simple. Use it for cutting up fruit, chopping tomatoes. I actually use them at the table. Superb knives. Yeah, they're sharp. I've heard that the side lock has been discontinued in 2017. So if you collect these, now might be the time to get one. Yeah, so that's the Victorinox Alpineer. Great knife, nice size, and nice to have in your pocket for everyday tasks.